and all. I'm Chris from NN Engineering, and we are structural engineers. Next slide. I have been to London since 2011 for 11 years. I got my British citizenship last year. I've got double citizenship, Greek and British. My greatest achievement so far is that I got a master's degree in structural engineering from Imperial College of London. And since then, since my graduation, I have been practicing structural engineering for 8 years. My next achievement I want to do is I'm working now at the moment, I want to become a chartered structural engineer. Next slide. The company was set up back in 2004 by my mentor, Nick Nicolaou. And Nick has been like a father to me, and I learned a lot from him, except from engineering. He helped with my personality and also with business. He introduced me to the BNI. In the last year, we had a new management, a new director. His name is Asif. His background is in surveying, and he's the CEO of a group of companies. We are structural engineers and a surveying company. And we are based in Southgate. We are just 2 minutes walking distance from the Southgate station. Next slide. In the last year, we grew to 8 engineers and a CAD technician. 2 of the engineers are chartered. And before we had like a part-time admin, but now we've got a new admin department. And my role in this company, the new company, is that I'm a line manager, and I check the graduate engineers. I do the in-house checking of the calculations and the drawings. I have been 6 years in the company so far. Yeah. Next slide. So our 3 best customers are architects, contractors, homeowners and buyers. And the homeowners who are looking for are those who want to extend or alter their homes, or they are considering a new build. So at the bottom right picture, you can see a rear extension. We worked with Paul. The red outline shows the extension. Here is this is Steve's the mechanic house, the plan drawings. So Steve wanted to remove this wall here. You can see how large the kitchen and the dining room became. Here in the background is a new build I designed in Southgate. Next slide. Except from extensions and new builds, we also prepare reports for existing properties to assess the structural safety of the buildings. Some defects we usually see on our site visits is wall cracks, like the one in the background photo, which wide and long. We also see some ceiling sagging, like for example this one. The red line shows the edge of the ceiling that bows. And also sometimes we see sloped floor. You can see that there is a gap between the floor and the board skirting. So some referrals who have worked with the BNI members is this one is with Yeti. It is a very wide crack in the loft, in the party wall. Another one is a big loft conversion we did with Stoyan and Paul in Barnet. It's also in the background photo. And this is one of the 90 projects we have done with Paul in the last 3 years. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.